Hey there, it's Asia Ray Coleman, founder of actingresourceguru.com, and I am so excited today because I get to finally formally announce my invitation to my upcoming online masterclass called the ARG three-part process for getting a ton of auditions. um, this is something that I'm really passionate about because I am an actor, and I know that it is really difficult sometimes. We have a lot of obstacles as actors to getting auditions, right? We might not have an agent who can get us in for the best roles. We might not have an agent at all. And we know that the best roles go out on breakdown services to agents only, right? We may have this obstacle around social media, and we know that producers and directors now are looking for people who have followings on social media, and so that might make you feel discouraged. You might feel like you are a person of color or a minority in some way, and there just aren't enough roles out there for people who look like you. You might feel like you're not a minority, and increasingly there are more diversity hires, and so you're being edged out because you don't have the experience of other people in your category. There are so many valid reasons that you might feel frustrated about the amount of opportunities that you're getting, but I'm here to tell you that if you have the right tools, you can overcome that and you can get those opportunities. And that's what I want to teach you in this masterclass. So there are a few times to choose from. This is a live online class. I will not be sharing any replays. So please visit actingresourceguru.com/webinar and sign up. And I will see you at the masterclass. I look forward to it.